Hey guys, welcome back to Rema Graphics YouTube channel, where we drop design hacks and tips to fuel your creative fire as a graphic designer. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to blend images to your backgrounds. I know you might have seen it in many backgrounds, church flyers, club flyers and the rest, and then you're wondering how can I do this, because you actually make your designs look very good. So I'm just going to be showing the whole process. It's a very easy process. I'm going to be blending this image to my background. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to go over to your eraser. Now the most important thing is to make sure that your design, the picture that you want to blend to your background, does not have any sharp edges, and that is the first thing you want to look out for. So now you can notice that this part of the image is sharp, so I'm just going to use my eraser to fix that up. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your eraser tool, and then you're going to come over here and increase this to the highest. This is actually the blur option, and then I'm going to increase it to the highest. I'm going to increase the length of the eraser to make things easier for me, and then I'm going to start work. Now I'm just going to brush over these sides so that they are going to be curved. I don't want to leave any sharp edge around. Make everything to be curved. Make sure that all the edges are curved. In my case, there are not much sharp edges, so it's going to be really easy. Just going to make these sides really, just going to, yeah, that is it. And then that is done. Now it is okay. I'm still having some sharp edges. Let me go back and fix that. I'm going to clean this thoroughly, and then that is it. Now the next thing you want to do is to reduce the opacity of this design, of this image, because if you want it to blend with the background well, it's not going to be really clear. So you're going to reduce the opacity really well. I'm going to be reducing it really well, and you can see how incredibly awesome it has blended to the background, just like that. So you can also move it anywhere you want, and it's just blended to the background. There are some times when this image won't actually blend with the background because of the color. So what you're just going to do is to come over to color filters and adjust the hue so that it fits perfectly with the color of the design. Mine is already fitted perfectly, so I don't need to do that too. But in case the color of your image is not aligning with the color of your background, come over to hue and then adjust the hue so that it will correspond with your background. Okay, so guys, that's basically how to blend images into backgrounds. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you are new to the channel, hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you can get updates when I upload a video, and see you all in the next video. Bye.